too with the grill.
I think you might be right about this one.
Where in the hell did you find it?
My people. I have my people.
You have people, huh? Cool. Guess we ain't going nowhere tonight.
We's going bowling.
Yeah, 'cause it already comes with game going.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that for you?
Yes.
Where'd you find it? You can tell me where you found it.
People. I have
They sell them
people.
in stores.
I have
Where'd you
people.
find it?
In a store? People. And store.
Huh?
A store.
What store?
A store. It's the same place I got that.
Look, it's killing him that you surprised him. He's like, wait, what? No.
That's 7 additional.